Today I am going to prepare mutton biryani. The ingredients necessary for its preparation are number 1 spices, number 2 vegetables, number 3 washed basmati rice, number 4 mutton, number 5 mutton broth, number 6 olive oil and number 7 salt. The spices include black cardamom 8, green cardamom 8, cinnamon 2-inch stick, mace 2 blades, black pepper 10 to 15 peppercorns, cloves 10, and the vegetables include 4 chopped onions, 2-inch ginger which is chopped longitudinally, and green chili which is again chopped longitudinally. First I am switching on the gas, and now I am adding raw mutton to 4 glasses of water approximately, and to it I add 4 black cardamom and some salt, and we have to boil this mutton for approximately 45 minutes. The mutton has got boiled for 45 minutes, and so I am switching off the gas now. Now I am switching on the gas stove, over which I have kept an empty pressure cooker. I add 1 ladle of olive oil to it and let it warm for some time. Now I add the chopped onions to the oil and fry it till the onions become translucent. Keep stirring the onions in between. I think now the onions are done, so I add green chili and ginger to it and stir fry again for about 5 minutes. Till they get fried, I will crush those spices. Now I am putting all the spices together to crush them and then finally put into the cooker. Now I am going to add this crushed spices to the cooker. Mix the spices together and continue frying till you get a beautiful aroma. Now I am going to add the washed basmati rice into the cooker. And this basmati rice has to be fried till it gives the fragrance. It will take another 5 minutes. The basmati rice is now well fried, as you can see. And to this I will add the boiled pieces of mutton. Again stir it for 3-4 minutes. The mutton pieces, as I can see, they are fried now. And I can just smell the beautiful aroma of basmati rice together with mutton. Now I am going to add the mutton broth to it. And this is to be cooked for 10 minutes over the pressure cooker. The mutton biryani must be ready by now, so I am switching it off. Now let's see how the mutton biryani looks. So you can see the delicious mutton biryani here. Now the delicious mutton biryani is ready to be served. This mutton biryani can be had with garlic raita and some salad. Thank you.